guys, what's up? Welcome to Halloween Drawings. We're going to be putting a Halloween drawing up every single day until Halloween, so follow along. I'm going to be using a marker, and today we're going to go over how to draw a Freddy Krueger glove. Freddy Krueger, the character from Nightmare on Elm Street. This is going to be a real simplified version of his glove, a cartoony version, so let's get started. So right now I'm going to pull a small round for his finger. Is going to be his thumb, down to the palm of his hand, pull down, cross, a little U shape for the kind of the end of the glove, straight, kind of like we're on the wrist area right now, straight up. Pull around. And we're going to throw kind of 3 bumps here, kind of a cartoony hand. I'm going to put less spikes on it. Well, actually, I'll put more. In fact, I'll put the 4 fingers, I guess, plus the thumb. Circle here, circle here, circle here, circle here for the knuckles. And it's just a design element. I'm going to draw a straight line down, straight line down, straight line down, straight line down. I'm going to pull up, square for each finger, up, square, square. Now I'm going to pull straight, kind of see that sword needle, that kind of needle sword shape for the spikes. Freddy Krueger is such an amazing design, and that claw hand is so iconic. And if you really want, you can kind of thicken up and repair the lines that you did, but I'm probably gonna leave it alone. And that's pretty much it. Does he have actually a thumb? Does he have a thumb, like a spike on the thumb? I don't think he does, so I'm gonna leave that without it. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's a quick Freddy Krueger claw. So I hope that was easy to follow. If it was, click that like button. Also, if you want, say hi to me in the comments so we can chat. Make sure to look in the description. There's gonna be all kinds of goodies in there. There's gonna be links to other tutorials that are related, and then there's going to be a free ebook you can download. There's going to be all kinds of cool stuff in the description, so check that out, and I will see you guys in the next video.